Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Ninja 400 ABS. This twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 9,700 miles. It's got some really cool upgrades: LED turn signals, frame sliders, Akrapovic full exhaust, Woodcraft engine guards. It's got some race engineering rear sets, integrated taillight, fender eliminator. I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff on this bike. Come on by, make your 400 Ninja dreams come true for just $54.99. Twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.